Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Morning, ma'am.
everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
हो गया डिवाइस वाला
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Vaishnavi.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम गुड मॉर्निग मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम I'm Abhijot Singh.
Good morning, everyone. First, okay, let me introduce myself first to you. I am Vandana Sharma, and I will be teaching you social studies. You know about social studies. You have read one chapter from that topic. Remember, we started that work. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
I've read a lot of chapters. I think I finished the book.
very nice. So let's have. I just want to see that. Let's have a quick introduction. You will just show me your hand. Please mute your mic for some time. Mute your mics and just show me your hand raised if I call your name. Okay. So first one is Abigail. Abigail is there. Yes. Then Aditya. Aditya is there. Irene.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abhijot. Abhijot is there. Yes. And I can recognize you by your faces now. Bishpreet. Bishpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see, where are you? Yes, I can see you now. Then Equator, I can see Equator.
Yes, ma'am.
But I can. It I can see. Good. Shah is there. Vaishnavi is there. Samar is there.
Yes.
Then wait. There.
Vinashima. Unmute yourself.
Sukhdeep.
Yeah, present, ma'am.
Yes, I have seen.
I am not able to listen.
Okay,
Not able to listen. Ma'am?
yes.
Ma'am, what we do today?
Okay.
And what will we do today? We are going to do today.
Okay, let us see. Today we will go through the recap of the chapter which we have done already. Remember this already? Do you remember the name of that chapter? Anyone can tell me what is the name of the chapter that we did last time?
Maps and directions.
You can show me your hand so that I can answer. Otherwise, we all will be speaking together and I will not be able to understand anything. Please
Okay.
hand, hai na? So we have done maps and directions. I'll be sharing one PPT with you. To be a recap of that topic. Okay, we will revise it again. Okay, I'll show you one PPT for that and sharing with that with you, and I will be explaining that to you. Fine. So let us start with that. Now, can you see the first page of the PPT? It is maps and directions there. Now, in this first page, you can see there is one map here. This is a map of India, our country, India. And along with that, there is a picture of a compass rose, which help us to know about the direction. There are abbreviations there. If you see, there are abbreviations given for all the directions, like N is for north, S is for south, then E, east, W, west. Then between north and east is the northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So let us first understand what is a map. Now, there is some information given about the map here. I will explain this to you. A map is a drawing or sketch of an area. Means a map is a drawing. You can draw a map, okay, and it shows us some area. A map can be of a smaller area. Smaller area means like if I ask you to make a map of your own house, then you have to you will make it on a page and you will mark where is your bedroom, how many rooms are there, where is the kitchen, where is the location of the courtyard, where is your garden outside. Okay, so that will be a small map which is showing only one thing, or of your school, like where is the school gate, where is your classroom, where is the principal's office. So those maps are the smaller maps, but some maps are larger also, like a map of a country, state, word, and continent. Like you live in Punjab, so there is a map for each state, like your state also has a map. And in the first page, you have seen the map of India, which is our country. And then there is a world map, which shows us all the countries of the world. And maps can be rough or accurate. Like a map, if I ask you to make a map of your house, it will be a rough map. You will be making it roughly. But the maps that you see in your books, all those are made accurately in a proper way. Then there are different types of map. But basically, we have divided them in two main parts. One is the political map and the other is the physical map. And if you see this map carefully, this is a political map. You can see there are different colors on this map, which are showing the states that are part of our country. And political map shows the roads also, like if you travel somewhere by your vehicle, you use Google Maps also to know the directions. So there are maps which shows the roads also, different cities, countries. Okay, so that is called a political map. And the other one is physical map, in which you can see different colors are there, which are showing the different physical features. Like in this map, there is brown color, which is used to show the mountains. Then green color is used to show the vegetation, greenery. Yellow is for the desert, and in between is the plateau region. We will be learning all these things later in our class. So one thing more, if you see both these maps, you have seen that there are colors in it, different colors. So maps also have colors, which show what is marked on the map. So maps are basically two, political and physical. Now let us come to the next one, terms to learn. So if you see this terms to learn here, first one, a book of maps is known as atlas. You might have seen a atlas. Some of you might have seen the atlas. It has many types of maps. Many of you have not seen, but it is having a lots of map, like maps of different countries are there, continents are there, maps showing rainfall is there, maps showing forests are there. So atlas is a book which is having different types of maps. Second is the legends or keys. If you see this star here, if I want to show the state capital, like if Punjab's capital is Chandigarh, I want to show it on the map, I can put a star in the map to show it. And if I want to show rivers in the map, I can show it with the help of the blue wiggly lines. Wiggly means, okay. So legends or keys are there on the map to show different things, because we cannot draw each and everything on the map. Like if I have to show the forest, I cannot make so many trees there, but I can show it with a symbol of a tree, single tree, and make a tree there to show that it is a forest. Then is the scale. Scale shows the relationship between the actual distance on the earth's surface and distance on the map. Like if all of you have seen a scale. A scale has 1 centimeter measurement in centimeters and inches. So when we use, if I ask you to make a map, suppose I ask you to make a map showing the distance between your home and the school. So can you draw that on a single piece of paper? No, it is not possible. So what we will do, we will use our scale. Like in our scale, there are centimeters, and we see that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. I say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. So if my school and home distance is 100 kilometer, then how will I show it on the single page? What I will do, I will divide that 100 kilometer with 10 or 10, and the answer will be 10 centimeters. So if I want to show the distance between my home and the school on a map, then I will make a line of 10 centimeter with a scale, which means it is 100 kilometer. Then globe. You have seen the picture of the globe in the pages that I have already shared with you. And it is a model of the earth. It is a 3D model of the earth. You can rotate the globe to see different places. Okay, it shows exact depiction of the earth, like where are the continents, where are oceans, countries, everything. And then next is the equator. Equator is an imaginary line on the globe which divides earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Now let me show you how. Now you see this image here. This is the image of a globe. Okay, and if you point your hand towards the top, it will always be north. Okay, so on the top is the north pole, means northern direction, and downward toward on the other side of the south. So equator is a line. It is an imaginary line. It is not there on the globe. We imagine that it is there, okay, to find the directions easily. So it is an imaginary line which divides the earth into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So hemisphere is, sphere means a circle. So hemisphere is the half of that circle. You can see that equator divide the earth into two halves, northern and southern hemisphere. After that, next is the compass rose. You identify this very, I think you can identify it very well now. You have seen it so many times, even in your worksheets. So the direction which is always towards the top is the north, and the bottom of the map always shows a south direction. The bottom of this compass rose always show the south direction. And then east and west, north, south, east, west, all these are the main directions. We call them main directions. And in between these directions, the directions which are shown, they are called the sub-directions, like northeast, east, northwest, southwest. All these are the directions that we can see. So compass rose is used, it is a navigational tool. Navigational tool means it helps us to find the directions. While traveling also, we use compass, like sailors in previous time when there were no Google Maps. So the sailors, they use the compass to find the direction in the sea, how, in which direction they will sail in the sea. So they use a compass rose. The compass always points towards the north. So wherever you are standing, if you have seen a compass, in which direction you stand, it will always point towards the north. It means the other side of the north will be south and the rest two sides will be east and west. Okay. So sailors also use this to find their direction in the sea. So compass rose help us to find the direction. So very quickly, I will speak again. A map is the drawing of an area, okay, and the globe is the model of the earth. Compass rose shows us the four directions, main directions, and four sub-directions. Okay, so we have already seen this. We have already, I have already shared this with you. Okay, so you can so this we have already done. Okay, I'm coming. I will be stopping this sharing. Okay, I will be coming to you right now. So this is about the maps and directions. Okay, we have already covered this topic and I will share this PPT with you today. Okay, you go again through this PPT once again, and next time I will be doing a recap of this chapter once again with you through the book pages, okay, the chapter PDF and a worksheet. Okay, today I will share one PPT, this PPT with you in your WhatsApp group. You go through that. Wait.
Yeah. Mama, not have books. So not
I know you don't have books.
I also, ma'am.
I know you don't have books. You have, okay, very good if you have the book. Those who don't have book, it's okay. Don't worry about it because I will be sharing this PPT with you. You will see this PPT. Okay. At your home, you will just see this PPT. Okay. I will share it with you in your WhatsApp group. You just see this PPT, go through it. And at 12 o'clock, I'll ask you if you have any problem in understanding anything in this PPT. Fine with you? Okay. So after that, we will be doing, next time I will be asking you questions from this. Okay. We will be doing a recap. We will share worksheet. So this time, I'm not giving you any homework today. I'm just sending you one
buy book.
what?
My book.
It's okay if you don't have. It's okay. Doesn't matter. I will be sharing everything with you. You don't worry about anything. I will be
Okay,
sharing
ma'am.
everything. Okay? No sharing everything. Speak together because I can't hear you like this.